Do not eat this fish, it is very dangerous for your health. Yes, you should be very careful and avoid consuming this fish. Why? Well, that's easy to answer, because it's very dangerous for your health. The name of this fish is bazzofish, Pangasius fillets. You should be very careful, because this type of fish is sold in the form of frozen fillets all around Europe at a very cheap price, which is why it's so popular. It originates from Vietnam and it's very low in quality. Many experts claim that this fish can cause real problems for your health. The bazzofish is cultivated near the Mekong River in Vietnam, which is one of the most polluted rivers in the world. The bazzofish is cultivated in sewage pools which contain high levels of toxins and bacteria that end up in the meat. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be shocked when we tell you that its meat is loaded with heavy metals, chlorate, isomers, hexachlorodenzene and other harmful compounds. Note, the USA has banned the import of the bazzofish due to the high levels of contaminants in the meat as well as due to the suspicion that it contains antibiotics. The bazzofish is very unhealthy and fed with waste material which can harm your health. In nature, the fish grows 4 times faster, but the bazzofish sold in our markets is injected with antibiotics and hormones that are supposed to make the fish bigger. The meat was found to contain hormones that accelerate the growth and reproduction of the fish, and is then sold in partnership with big companies that have no regard for human health. And, one last thing, the bazzofish is sold at a very low price which attracts supermarkets and their customers to buy them, not being aware of the low quality of the meat. This is very important for you to understand. The bazzofish doesn't contain any healthy nutrients and it doesn't contain omega-3 oils or other essential nutrients found in natural fish. It may be good in taste, but this fish is very dangerous for your health, which is why you should avoid it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.